Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Storm and Army. Today, we're preparing crispy southern fried chicken wings. These are the ingredients for our crispy southern fried chicken. Red pepper, onion powder, ground coriander, paprika, oregano, black pepper, ground turmeric, garlic powder, cornstarch, and kosher salt. And you will find a list of the ingredients and their measurements in the description. So now we're going to season our flour. Already we have flour and cornstarch combined. We're going to add our seasonings that we used on the chicken. Black pepper, cayenne pepper, onion powder, a double all-purpose seasoning, a little ground coriander, smoked paprika, and some garlic powder, greens that we'll be preparing. They've been seasoned, put in the refrigerator for about an hour. Then we took them out, patted them dry. That's essential in making crispy chicken. Then next we're going to dredge them before we Our chicken has been dredged and ready to fry. It's time to take this batch out. So now we're going to plate our chicken wings. And we're going to do the fork test to show how crispy they are. That. Add a little garnish. Thank you for watching my video on how to cook crispy fried chicken wings. For more videos like this, click like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy. Taste test. That's what I'm talking about. Nice crispy chicken. Again, if you like this video, click like and subscribe. Enjoy.